Hi, my name is Raj Sambar and I have a best friend called Sammy. Okay, why am I being so random right now? Because this vlog is about that. My best friend Sammy wanted to go abroad from a very long time. वो 6 महीने से UK जाने का try कर रहा है, but due to this COVID scene, for some reason, he could not go abroad no matter what. And recently, after the lockdown was lifted up and all the airlines were open, and he finally got his visa and he was waiting to book the tickets. And out of nowhere, दोपहर को 2 बजे मैं घर पे बैठा था and he called and he said कि the tickets have been booked for tomorrow और वो कल UK जा रहा है. And he said that I'm leaving Nasik today, which is at like 12 o'clock. He's my best friend and I literally had like 3-4 hours to meet him. So this is my best friend's story, Sammy, who's going to the UK. Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can see me right now because the light is really unclear. This is a really spontaneous vlog, guys. So all the people who watch my vlogs, you guys must be knowing Sammy, right? Shivam, my best friend. He is actually going to the UK tomorrow. Right now it is like 6 o'clock and he's leaving at 7:30. So he's going to Bombay first and then uski subah ki UK ki flight hai. So this is like really spontaneous, man. I had to make a vlog on this because he's like one of my best friends and he's going back. ये same चीज मेरे साथ हुई थी 5 साल पहले when my friends said goodbye to me while going to New Zealand. और आज I am in the same position कि मैं मेरे friends को bye बोल रहा हूँ because he's going to the UK. It's gonna be like a really emotional and sad vlog to be honest because he's going, man. I mean I don't know how to react on this because I was always on the other side. So this is my car. Sammy यहाँ पे और 1.5 घंटे के लिए है नासिक में and all the friends are at his place already. So let's go, man. I'm driving and vlogging at the same time. I shouldn't be doing this. I know it's not good. But yeah, man, I'm really feeling emotional. Luckily, Sammy मेरे घर के साइड में रहता है. Like it's only like 5 minutes. Like luckily हमारे सारे दोस्तों का घर literally साइड में ही है. So yeah, जाने के लिए बहुत easy है. So we're gonna go there. To be honest, इतने दिन से कुछ लग नहीं रहा था because उसका थोड़ा सा delay चल रहा था कि जाओ या नहीं जाओ और there was a lot of things going on. But then finally, now that I know that he's actually going, I'm really feeling sad. और all of a sudden उसका अभी call आया. I'm leaving in the next 1 hour. So please come see me. I was like, what? I can already see all the friends here. All the people have come to meet him. What's up? तू खरंच चाललाय तू? Don't go यार. होता यार. मी रडू का?
मी रडलो तुझ्यावर.
खरंच रडतो मी. I want to cry too. नांदे तू रडणार आहे का? Guys, he's my best friend Anish and he's Shivam's childhood friend. तू शिवमला किती वर्षापासून ओळखतो? काय बोलायचं का तुला त्याच्याबद्दल? तुझी कधी स्टोरी सांग शिवमबद्दल. कसा बघतो तो? खूप स्टोरीज पण से समथिंग, अ फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट सॅमी, म्हणजे गुड वर्ड. तू विचार करून नको बोल, जे तोंडात येईल ते बोल. तू विचार करून असं नाही बोलायचं. खरं 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 जे आहे ते बोल.
सवय नाही आहे सगळ्यांची.
अरे पण
म्हणतो थोडासा चांगला आहे तो असं. चिडचिड आहे.
चिडचिड थोडी कमी कर का आता युकेला जाऊन. चिड Shivam has like major anger issues. हम उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हैं इसके ऊपर. He gets angry a lot. Last goodbye. I want to record the last goodbye, please.
Thank God.
आपला नाही, तुमचा दोघांचा. How are you feeling?
20% happy, 80% nervous.
आठी तोपर्यंत स्टार्ट होऊन जाणार, तू तोपर्यंत येशील.
मला अपॉइंटमेंट घ्यावी लागते. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी सी ईच अदर. आपली जरा लाईफ फुल चांगले असेल आम्ही दोघं.
I know, right? Shit, यार.
I wanna cry.
Even I want to cry, man.
आएगा ना तू. 4-5 दिन दुकान को छुट्टी में जा रहा हूँ.
This is Sammy's best friend. He spent a good time with Sammy and he's crying. Duya! Come here. Sammy! So at this point मैंने Sammy के सारे दोस्तों को spotlight पे डाल के उसके बारे में कुछ बोलने को बोला था. It could have been anything. So this were the last goodbye words for Sammy.
So Sam is leaving. I wish him well for the future. Last time Sammy maintain his school. Prioritize and don't be lazy.
Cool.
Focus on what's important.
Are you gonna miss anything about Sammy?
Yes, of course, is the constant complaining about everything and making it very
different stories. पूरे टाइम एक ना एक किस्सा आ गया.
And any suggestion that you want to give him?
वहाँ पे जाओ, वहाँ पे रहेगा.
हाँ यार.
वहाँ पे रहेगा, अच्छा रहेगा.
And what?
जी.
अच्छे से जा.
XOXO.
So this is Sammy's sister. Do you want to say anything for Sammy?
Sammy, oh my god. Okay, so yesterday I came back from my sister's place and I was recording that small thing and I was trying so bad, but I just cried my eyes out.
Oh, so sweet,
I
yeah.
was trying, but I just
8
cried.
years of pain.
21 years of pain, Shiva. 21.
Oh,
Like no makeup, nothing.
I couldn't even say anything because I was so emotional. I was like, just fuck you and go. Say something about Sammy.
I knew him. What about the fact that you're gonna miss your all stupid PJs?
I don't think so. There's no one in my family that will get my jokes.
Are they too dark?
They're pathetic.
Okay. We're है bro. Shit. I don't know what to say, man. Bestest friend forever.
Yeah, man.
I don't know. Stay safe. Don't smoke a lot. Not smoke a lot. I do this.
तुला रडायचं आहे का?
Don't come back with fucking accents. Yeah. Fuck it. Fuck the vlog. Love you. Just came home and I tried to vlog as much as I could, but I could not because I was like really emotional. I didn't want to ruin the moment for anyone because it was a really emotional moment. I actually got a taste of my own medicine this time because now I know how it feels when a best friend leaves the country. मैं जब भी 5 साल पहले न्यूजीलैंड गया था, this is exactly how my friends would have felt और आज मुझे वो समझा है. The reason why मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि vlogging is like the best thing ever for me because जो भी चीज़ है मैं लोगों के साथ नहीं शेयर कर पाता. I think vlogging is the best way out. You don't tend to usually share everything with everyone. That's the reason why I love vlogging कि मैं आपके साथ ये सब कुछ शेयर कर सकता हूँ. I consider myself to be a person with a good intellect. And Sammy was one of the few people that I feel ki, I could communicate on a level where we could share our experiences and etc. Like our thoughts were on the same level, and that's the reason why our wavelengths matched. मैं उसको वही बता रहा था कि now that he's going, I'm gonna miss his company. I'm already emotional. I don't want to cry again on the camera. So yeah, man, if you're watching, take care for all the people who are going abroad. Now I know how it feels. So I don't know what to do. मुझे घर पे आने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा काम था, but अभी मुझे कुछ इच्छा ही नहीं हो रही है काम करने की. It's just like everything is happening around me, but everything is not happening around me. मुझे ऐसे हो रहा है. 4 things for you, Sammy. Number 1, don't come back with a fake accent. Number 2, go and meet Gordon Ramsay because he's one of my favorite people in the world. Number 3, please come back soon. And number 4, just stay awesome as you are because you don't need to change. If anyone has told you to change, please don't change. Stay the way you are because that's the main reason why everyone loves you. So please don't change. Stay the way you are. Stay blessed. Stay awesome. And I hope I'll see you soon.